Do you want to take your outdoor adventures to the next level? Well, you're in luck. From high-tech gadgets to clever contraptions, these camping inventions are designed to make your outdoor adventures more comfortable, convenient, and enjoyable. Whether you're a seasoned outdoor enthusiast or just starting your camping journey, these inventions are guaranteed to impress. Here's our list of camping inventions that are on a whole nother level. Take a moment to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you know first when we post new content. Coleman Connectable Tent Bundle. Like camping with friends, but they don't all have their own tent? This customizable connecting tent system might be the answer for you. The 6-person connectable tent can be used as a standalone or zip to other compatible tents at 3 fully enclosed connection points in any configuration. This fast-pitch tent sets up in no time thanks to pre-attached poles and hub, fast-fit feet, and snag-free Insta-clips that secure poles in a snap. If it rains, the WeatherTech system keeps campers and gear dry with welded floors and inverted seams that prevent water from seeping in. For additional weather protection, the strong cabin-shaped frame is factory-tested to withstand winds of 35 or more mph, and an extended door awning and rainfly keep out precipitation. When it's time to pack up, the tent easily fits into an included carry bag for no-hassle transport and storage until the next adventure. Bearwatch Fence. All set to go camping? But wait, what about bears? Bearwatch Systems is driven by the mission of enabling outdoor enthusiasts to venture deeper into the wild while reducing the concern of encountering wildlife. Electric fence technology has proven to be an effective way to reduce unwanted contact between bears and people and their attractants for decades. The stronger the shock, the better it deters bears. Farmers and beekeepers apply the technology to discourage bears from accessing their livestock, orchards, and beehives, which reduces conflict and aids bear conservation. Bear conservation experts recommend using portable electric fences to minimize human-bear conflict while camping in the wild. Bearwatch provides a strong layer of deterrence that will help you feel safer and sleep better in bear country. No camper wants to be awoken by a bear outside their tent. Facadal Trailer. Elevate your camping experience to the next level. Experience the ultimate in outdoor luxury with the Magic Fort, a spacious, modular tent that offers the comfort and convenience of a presidential suite. With 484 square feet of floor space and customizable interior design, the Magic Fort is the perfect alternative to a traditional RV. Whether you're planning a family camping trip or a romantic getaway, the Magic Fort offers the freedom and flexibility of a mobile outdoor suite. Magic Fort ensures a comfortable temperature inside, keeping you warm in the winter and cool in the summer. Simply secure the positioning ropes and let the automatic inflation pump do the rest. When it's time to pack up, deflation is just as effortless with multiple air valves for quick and thorough deflation. Zero Breeze Mark II AC. Zero Breeze Mark II is the world's first ultra-portable air conditioner. Experience unprecedented comfort with the smallest, lightest, and most energy-efficient compressor-driven AC on the market. Perfect for hot outdoor adventures, camping trips, and beyond. Discover limitless applications, from commuting and sports events to special operations and emergency relief, where traditional ACs fall short. Transform your experience with Zero Breeze Mark II, the ultimate cooling solution. Featuring a unique single-hand handle design for easy carrying and operation. Cools a space of 25 to 40 feet under ideal conditions, which include proper installation, closed and insulated area, and not under direct sunlight. Isabella Camplet Passion. Camplet Passion gives you everything you've dreamed of for a comfortable stay in the great outdoors. Listen to the sounds of nature, smell the scent of the woods, all while lying in comfort on your foam mattress away from the cold and damp of the ground in a dark sleeping cabin, yet still being able to enjoy the breeze from the smart ventilation openings. Camplet Passion has integrated dark curtains as standard in the awning. That means a comfortable indoor climate during the day, and your sleep will not be disturbed by the moon, lights, or the early morning sun. Camplet Passion is the perfect trailer tent for a family of 4. The Camplet Passion will help you fulfill your dream holiday getaway, enabling you to explore those places you've always dreamed of visiting but never have. UCO Stake Light. The UCO Stake Light is a unique tent stake with a built-in LED light to provide area lighting around your tent. The 17 lumens of light can help you locate your tent in the dark and alert campers to the presence of tent guidelines. Switch to strobe mode to help locate your tent over longer distances in the backcountry. The Stake Light LED provides up to 10 hours of continuous light or up to 24 hours of light in the strobe mode and is encased in a water-resistant TPE housing. Set up your tent in the dark, Answer nature's call and quickly locate it again. These illuminated tent stakes make it easy to identify and set up your tent in a flash. Enjoy a perimeter of light around your tent or set it to strobe for better visibility of your tent's location. Inland igloo. The igloo is an ingenious form of winter shelter, but building one in the traditional fashion definitely takes some skill and a lot of snow. That's where the inland igloo comes in, as the inland igloo is a self-building igloo maker that aims to make the process of crafting an outdoor, ice-made structure as easy as possible for a range of individuals, groups, or families. The unit works by being easily set up and equipped with a hose before being turned on, which will start the water misting process. This will create a fully functioning igloo overnight when exposed to sub-zero temperatures that's strong enough to comfortably support hundreds of pounds of weight on the top to further drive home the safety of the structure. Inland igloo helps you build a backyard winter fort. They also make smaller versions in rocket, castle, and pirate ship shapes. Pomoly Lumberjack Fast Fold Stove. Pomoly Lumberjack Titanium Wood Tint Stove is a fast-fold stove that is modular and has a removable structure that is made to be swiftly assembled and disassembled. Its 100% rust-resistant titanium structure combined with a special surface polishing treatment means this stove's metal features the ultimate metal fatigue resistance. Pomoly Lumberjack features a snap-fit joints design with no threaded connections, so every part can be installed and disassembled easily and separately without enduring any damage. Users can fold it, including folding the firebox into the base, pack every part into the carrying bag we offer, and go. They can also seamlessly unfold it, smoothly assemble it, and start cooking in no time. The oven also has a heat-resistant high-temperature side glass that makes it easy to keep what you're baking or cooking under visual control. CamG Camping Guard. The CamG Plus camping security device is a solution for avid outdoor enthusiasts that will work to help them keep their belongings and all members of their party safer. The device works by being set up to monitor an area and will detect motion within a 4 to 5 foot radius to sound an alarm and notify users via their smartphone. The unit can also keep an eye on temperature and humidity levels for enhanced peace of mind, while an anti-mosquito functionality utilizes ultrasonic waves to keep flying pests away from a campsite. It even includes an LED safe light. With all these components, CamG Plus will be the camping tool you can't live without. Bajao Cabin. Bajao Cabin is the most versatile tent you can imagine, designed by stand-up paddlers for stand-up paddlers. But not only for paddlers. Of course, you can sleep with the tent on the water or on the shore, but it also works on the car roof as a roof tent, as a sun and rain protection for anglers, as a mud-resistant base at festivals. With Bajao Cabin, you sleep on land on your boards. You don't need more space than your board itself. It does not matter if the ground is stony, wet, muddy, or uneven. Anywhere you can safely put your board, you can spend the night. A better protection against moisture from below as your board you will not find, and you don't need to worry about how to secure your boards against theft. Of course, you can use Bajao Cabin without a board underneath and sleep directly on the ground. Gigapump 4.0. Quickly inflate anything. Inflate or deflate any kind of sleeping mats or pillows in seconds. Small, sleek, and powerful. Gigapump still continues the design concept of compact. Powered by a rechargeable lithium-ion battery, one charge lasts long enough to fast inflate more than 10 single-air mattresses, or vacuum more than 20 large vacuum bags, or last up to 10 hours of illumination. Gigapump can also be used as a vacuum pump. Make packing easier and save extra backpack space. Moreover, Gigapump is not only for outdoor use, but also can be used on vacuum bags at home. There are 8 LED lamp beads at the bottom of the Gigapump. Simply press the button to adjust the brightness in different environments according to your needs. Smaller than a salt shaker. No need to get smoke in your eyes trying to blow into some embers. Get your fire going twice as fast using the ultralight air pump. High Planet The Cave. High Planet's first inflatable tent. Still iconic and perfect for 2 to 3 people. All you need is a pump to pitch your tent in less than a minute. Thanks to its geodesic dome construction with 10 crossing points, the cave is extremely stable, and thanks to the high-quality materials, it is also weatherproof as well as durable. The inflatable diamond grid, IDG, not only guarantees stability, but also ensures an intuitive and easy setup of the cave so that you can get the most out of your trip. It supports the waterproof ripstop polyester fly sheet and ripstop nylon inner tent with multiple storage pockets, perfect for storing smaller items. It relegates tent poles to the past in favor of an inflatable exoskeleton. Sound complicated? it is for its first setup. After that, the cave transforms from a stuffed sack to a fully pitched tent faster than any other tent I'm aware of. It's sturdy, roomy, and fears no storm. Hammock Ursa Sleep Systems. Ursa is the ultimate camping bed for the most restful night under the stars. This premium sleep system includes everything you need: a self-inflating base pad, memory foam topper, insulated camp comforter, and an adjustable oversized pillow with variable thickness. Now available in 2 sizes. Pillows sold separately. Ursa is designed to provide the best sleep outside, giving people the comfort and peace of mind they need to spend more restorative moments outdoors. The self-inflating base makes setting up at camp faster and more convenient, so you can spend more time enjoying the outdoors. The spacious built-in footbox is designed for improved heat retention, keeping your feet warm and toasty even on the coldest nights, but is adaptable enough for warmer sleepers to kick their feet out from under the covers. The Dukin Docking Room. A multi-purpose tent for creative camping might be rare to find, but Handybro is putting its best foot forward with the Dukin, an all-in-one tent for camping, backyard, fishing, stargazing, and outdoor activities. It only takes 10 to 15 minutes to set up the 2-story modular loft tent where people can sleep and sit on the second floor while hanging hammocks on the ground floor for them to swing on and laze about. So, if 2 or 3 people are chatting on the second floor while 3 more are lounging in the hammocks on the ground floor, the durable frame of the loft tent can weather the weight up to 660 pounds. Windy days and nights can cower too, since the modular loft tent's material breezes past gusts up to 44 miles per hour. Rain can't do anything against the Dukin, as the transparent roof skin for sky gazing is waterproof. It looks like there's no excuse not to go camping and outside with this modular loft tent. A Spectro Cahio. The Cahio camping lantern is a 4-in-1 device for avid campers or outdoor enthusiasts to use as a way to stay connected when out in the wilderness. The compact design of the device means it's capable of being easily carried in a pocket, while the folding light panels allow for passive illumination. The Cahio camping lantern has USB ports to allow for charging and power access, and also works as an SOS alarm to provide peace of mind for individuals. The fun time of camping is at night, and the night is accompanied by darkness, ubiquitous mosquitoes, and dropping temperatures. Cahio combines the functions of a light, a hand warmer, a mosquito repellent, and a mobile power bank into one, making it a product truly designed for outdoor camping and bringing you a more comfortable camping experience. Advenant Hybrid. The Advenant Hybrid shovel has been created to offer avid outdoor enthusiasts with a way to stay agile and prepared for whatever comes their way. Looking like a traditional shovel, the device works by incorporating a probe in the handle along with a light that will work effectively to help you illuminate your surroundings and call for help if something happens. The unit also links together with 2 ski poles that will enable you to pitch a tent that is perfect for comfortably surviving cold nights and below-zero environments. Anyone who has been in an emergency avalanche rescue situation knows that the combination of shaky hands, nerves, and lack of familiarity with complicated systems does not make for efficient assembly of rescue equipment. Plus, weight and size are key for consumers. Advenant prioritized this with a lightweight, minimal design. The hybrid set takes up less space in the pack than a regular shovel with separate probe. High Gear Ergo Stratus 250 tent. If you are after a premium 2-person tent to take weekend camping or even to festivals, then the Ergo Stratus 250 from High Gear will do everything you need and more. With a revolutionary design that means pitching takes less time than it took you to watch this video. The tent itself has a good-sized porch, a double bedroom backing onto it, with side pockets and a zip-able mesh insert in the door for ventilation. There is also further venting it back to help reduce condensation. This can be zipped shut in bad weather. A perfect size for camping with 2 people, the Ergo Stratus 250's revolutionary no poles required design means you spend less time pitching and more time enjoying yourself. It's very quick and easy to pitch. You just attach the included stirrup pump, ensure the valves are in the horizontal position, and inflate. Once inflated, the strong double-skinned inflatable beams make it one of our most stable tents in bad weather. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit that thumbs up, and watch our other videos for more content just like this.